Why does snowing on Copper 9? Because of cryomagnetism. You go down, it's a little bit hotter than the surface because of mantle core, where hydrothermal vents heating up the ice, whispering the ingredients of life. It also can be life in it. The pressure of water is so high that it cracks the ice and starts spewing and forms the cryovolcano. Copper 9 is a very active planet because of his large moon. That created strong tidal forces and heated up the Copper 9. I see clouds on Copper 9. I think it's hydrocarbon clouds. That's because of it's really far planet because of number 9. It's like Titan. Copper 9 moons also have underground lakes where made of furt of water. Instead of mantle, they have warm water and crushed ice. Even Copper 9 moon has own atmosphere. Sure, but Copper 9 and his moons supports only simple life.